Hola! Today we're sharing with you one of my mom's secret recipes. It's one we love in my family, especially when there's cold weather, because it's really healthy, delicious, and easy to make. It's crema de calabacin, or homemade zucchini soup. If you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. First of all, we start with the zucchini. I'll peel them. Open them and dice them. Now we do the same thing with our potatoes. Finally, the onion. This time I like to cut it smaller. Now I prepare the pressure cooker. I added some olive oil, enough to cover the bottom. I heat it up, and when it's hot, I toss in the onion. Give it a little stir. And in short, it will be very nice and soft, so it's time to add the zucchini. Now we add the potatoes. Once again, a little stir. Now it's time to add some salt at taste. If you wish, you can add some black pepper as well. Now we stir it all together. And we add some ladles, 4 ladles of water this time, but if you have some chicken stock or meat stock, it will make it extra delicious. Now it's all ready, so we'll close it and we'll cook it in a medium fire. It's ready now, everything is nice and soft, so it's time to bring on the blender. We blend it all until it's nice and smooth. And we add a drizzle of olive oil. That'll make it extra tasty. So the final blend. And voila, ready for serving. Now we add for decoration a little extra touch of olive oil and my favorite, some croutons on top. This is optional, but I definitely recommend it. It smells wonderful. Ideal for a cold autumn day. So, buen provecho! Enjoy! Adios!